Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am giving you a closet tour, but with a twist. Since moving to Germany, I have had to downsize from my walk-in closet to a much smaller wardrobe space. And let me tell you, it has forced me to get intentional. So in this video, I am sharing with you how I organize my wardrobe for style, sanity, and simplicity. So closet reality is this, okay? My closet here in Germany is so much smaller compared to my home in Virginia. But honestly, it has been kind of like a blessing in disguise because when I say had to get intentional, I legitly have not a lot of room to put a bunch of stuff. I actually now evaluate what I really need. Like, is this piece really a need, Sparkle? Because you do not have a lot of space. And the more stuff I put in the closet, the less I see. So that means I am only getting things I actually love and I'm actually going to wear, actually need to fill a wardrobe gap. And being in Germany and the style here for me, because I am very casual and more of a comfortable vibe here in Germany, it has absolutely pushed me to curate a closet that is solely what my lifestyle is now, right? So I don't have a lot of pieces for going out. I don't have a lot of pieces for concerts, weddings, all of that, because I'm not doing that here in Germany. It's about my current lifestyle, not my past fashion habits and hobbies. So here is a tip. Downsizing gives you clarity, less chaos, and more confidence. So my physical closet organization. Let me show you what my actual closet looks like and how I organize what I do have. It's not a lot of room to organize my closet by zones. So what I try to do is organize by color coding and by the item or the genre of the item. So i.e. blazers together, pants together, shirts together, dresses or skirts together. I do have drawers for my everyday essentials, i.e. undies, shirts, my sleepwear, and things like that. So you'll see that that is all kind of in the drawer area below. I also keep a lot of my basics down in the drawer area as well. So that is the everyday tanks and long sleeve shirts or tees that I'm wearing underneath blazers or with jeans or however, whatever. I don't have too many staple pieces right now because, like I said, my lifestyle is not really calling for that currently here in Germany, but I do have a few pieces that I think are kind of funky or they add a little something, i.e. maybe a cute little shirt or maybe a funky jean with some stones or some colors and things like that. So I do have that. I oftentimes find that my statement pieces here in Germany, it has been my outerwear. So that is whether it's been a long trench or it's been, I have this leather trench that I got from Banana Republic a couple years back. It's a bold color, makes a statement on top of this very simple outfit. Other things that I have that I think are a little bit more of a statement or add two pieces, I'll say, are my blazers and just a few little crop jackets and things that I have. Now, I do have those seasonal staples, like I said, in that those outerwear pieces, some of them kind of fall into there. So what I tend to do is I rotate the closet. Okay, I have a big storage unit down in the lower level. So what I do now, like I've done, is taking those fall winter pieces, i.e. some of those outerwear essentials or statements, and put them down in the storage area and brought up things that are this weather appropriate. Okay, so that is my blazers and a lighter jackets and my fall trench and things like that. That is what's in the closet now, and the other pieces I will store them in one of those clear storage bags, and that is, like I said, my boots and my knits and all of those kind of seasonal essentials. They're down in the closet. I try to use either wood hangers or have those heavy duty plastic ones. I'm not a major like aesthetic girl when it comes to that especially not in my German closet, but I do tend to find that the wood hangers work really well for my jeans and my heavier pieces in my closet, i.e. like the blazers and things like that. But you can use whatever you have, and I don't have a system that saves space in this closet I haven't identified one yet, but and making it work with what I have. Okay, I fold the jeans a certain way. I try to fold the tees and things that are in the drawer a certain way. I try to make sure things hanging, like it just is what it is. So as I'm claiming now this minimalistic lifestyle, I absolutely am working towards making everything visible and everything intentional. So let's talk about the game changer though. Seeing as though I'm in this small space, this small closet, and I'm being very, very intentional, the wearing app, I had talked about this in a previous video, 5 apps that I think will change your life. The wearing app is one of those apps that have done just that. And so here's where it really gets fun, okay? I digitized everything in my closet. Well, I paid my son to do it. So he took pictures of everything that I had. So I'm able to see it now in the closet and in the storage room. And this is shoes, belts, pants, shirts, basics, blazers, coats. This is everything I have in my wardrobe currently here in Germany. And I'm able to use that app to see all that I have, shop my own closet, and style myself. I'm able to plan my outfits for the week or plan outfits for events or anything like that without having to stand in front of the closet for 30 minutes, however long it used to take me to think about what I'm going to wear and to style myself. I can take a little time over the weekend and get myself ready via the app for the entire week, and it kind of just works so many wonders, and it's just easier, and it makes styling myself so much more fun. Now, I am still that girly that will take the pieces out once I've styled them on the app and try them on and take selfies, because I don't know, I just need to see the whole look come together. So I absolutely still do that, but styling myself is just easier now, and it's a lot more fun. So things to note with the wearing app, what I'm able to do, okay? I'm able to see my entire closet. I am able to create outfits and save time. I am able to plan looks for the week ahead or for events or for vacations. And I'm able to shop my closet instead of just buying more. The wearing app just helps me to stay intentional and stay in alignment with my signature style. So I am not a for real planner, which is why the wearing app is so great for me. But what I do tend to do is I try to style prep. So if I know I have something coming up like a vacation or just planning my outfits for the week ahead, the wearing app is very easy to do that. Most times on like Saturday or Sunday, I will take a little bit of time when I have some downtime. Maybe the guys are at the gym or they're out doing whatever. That's my me time. So I will take that time to go through the app and think about what all I have going on through the week. So if that's a particular meeting I have to go to, if that is a particular dinner or event or whatever, I'm able to go into the app and just plan all of that out and put the looks together and save it and schedule it for the day on the calendar for the day that I plan to wear it. This has been a game changer for decision fatigue. And if you haven't heard of that, it is a real thing. And that is when you can get anxiety. I get anxiety from standing in front of the closet thinking about, oh my God, what am I going to wear? And then next thing I know, it's been 10, 15, 20 minutes. That just, the wearing app for me allows me to eliminate all of that. It's very easy to go in, style really quickly, and stop myself from the decision fatigue and able to move on to the next thing that I have to do in life, because it makes it so easy. So that is how I style myself, using a small space but still showing up with big style energy. Going digital with the wearing app has been a straight game changer, and it has given me so much freedom. Having less in my closet has definitely made me more creative with how I style myself. And hear me, ladies, you do not have to have a massive walk-in closet to be creative and to show up and walk in confidence with what you're wearing. You just need a system that works for your life. So drop a comment and let me know if you would try the wearing app to digitize your closet, and let me know what your biggest challenges are right now with getting dressed. Don't forget to take these signature style quiz below, and until next time, please like, subscribe, share, and let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.